Kaya tayo nakakagalaw. Ano po? Handa na po kayo sa makikita nyo? Musculoskeletal injuries. Yan. Fracture or bone. Discuss po natin yan. Mga don'ts daw po. Do not try to realign a limb if you suspect a fracture. Bakit daw po bawal i-realign? Luwari, nasuklo ka. Bakit daw po hindi pwedeng tayo na ang magpalit kung pwede kang kaya naman natin? Baka po, lalong lumala, lalong madamage, ano? Do not try to put pa an exposed bone. Pag sasagot po tayo, nataas ang kamay, parang malinaw natin, ano? Do not massage the affected area. First aid for musculoskeletal injuries. Pero po tayo tinatawag na rise. Ito po yung rest or immobilize. Ice cold packs, compression, and elevate. So yun po yung bigas. Alam niyo na kung bakit rise. If an injured extremely is blue or extremely pale, activate EMS immediately. Musculoskeletal injuries, dislocation bones, ends are no longer in contact. Mga dito natin. Sa basketball, nangyayari yan. Sa pagka-basketball dito, mga nasusuklo. Sakit po niyan. Okay? Spray. O yung nasa exam yata ito, ano? Spray. Ito po yung meaning spray na, stretch or torn ligament. Yung isa naman, strain. Stretch or torn muscle or tendon. Pag yun po yung tendon yan, kasi natabas natin sa exam yan. Exam po kayo, niniwala kayo may exam muli kayo. Kaya nyo na perfect mamaya. Kaya nyo pasa. Dalo. Tawag sa lilan, sa di ba pasa? Okay, recognizing musculoskeletal injuries. Yan, tenderness. Deformity, ating yan. Swelling, umaga, pain, discoloration, yung mga nag-uubi-ubi na pagka merong damage, prepuce, pulse motion, cardio, loss of function, extreme cases. Okay, spine injuries po tayo. Spine, pillar of 33 bones, along neck and back, protects the spinal cord. Bundle of nerves that runs down the neck and back. Carries signals between the brain and other parts of the injury of the body. Spine injury in the spinal cord, loss of function, can turn you into dead. Kaya po may mga accident po sa kalsada, no? Hindi po basta-basta nahihili po yan. Baka mamaya, nakikita nyo sa kanyang braso or paa, yung kasing likod niya, hindi po natin alam ako yung fracture dead, kailangan ipuin. Napakahalaga po ng spinal cord natin sa ating katawan. Pwede po tayong, turn to death, pagkamali yung ating pag-respond din natin. Most common causes of spinal injury, vehicular crash, fall, acts of violence, sports injuries. Spine injury, if there is dizziness, head or neck or back pain, clear fluid coming out of the nose and ears. Delikado po yan. Difficulty or breathing, numbness, inability to move the limbs, loss of urinary or bowel control, paralysis, unconsciousness. What to do for a spine injury victim? Call for emergency medical assistance immediately. If the victim is conscious, explain to him that he may have a serious injury and should not move. Huwag po natin paibuhin. Yung mga lasing po minsan makukulit. Paralas po kami yan. Gusto niyo bumangon, pero nakachit na ka-helmet, yung mukha niya, may lalabas na dugo sa ilong. Dahil nga, meron din. Delikado po yun. No? Huwag po natin hayaan na siya ay magpalipat-lipat ng pwesto. Para sa kanya rin po yun. Papaliwanag niyo po sa kanya yun. Spinal motion restriction. Attempt to maintain the spine in anatomical alignment and minimize gross movement. Check the victim for responsiveness. Wait and assist in calming EMS. Bring the victim to the nearest healthcare facility immediately. Hindi po sa pinaka-mura. Hindi po sa pinaka-mura, pinaka-malapit. Spleen. Yan. Spleen is a rigid device used to immobilize an injured body part. Prevents further injury. Yun po ang purpose ng ating spleen kung bakit naglalagay ng spleen sa mga damaged bones natin. Reduces pain. Okay? May question po ba kayo sa ating speaking? May po ating references. Okay? Magpatuloy po natin. Module 4, Crown Injuries. Session 4 is splinting. After completing the session, the participant should be able to